This is a quick overview of how to use SYRAS, the Systematic Review Assistant. First of all, you'll need to register an account. You only need to enter a name and an email. The email is for notifications to be sent to you, and the name is for your collaborators to recognize who you are. Once you've registered, you can just log in to the site immediately. There's a forgot password feature, same as usual. Once you've logged in, you can create a new project. You can give it a name. The projects can be phases in reviews. You can use them however you like, really. They just contain sets of reviews. Once you've created your project, you need to open it to be able to use it. You can always rename the project later if you like. Once you've opened the project, you can go into the dashboard using the Manage button. You'll see initially there won't be any articles, so you need to import articles. So if you import, say, from a RIS file or PubMed, you have to choose the type of file it is. It's a bit tricky for the system to detect file types, so it's better if you choose it yourself. There's different options for duplication, which I will cover in a different guide. Once you've imported, you'll see the duplication results, and it has picked, or it should have picked, a reasonable set of options, but you can change anything. You can have a look at the differences. You can see this one has no differences. So that's not a, that's a perfect duplicate. That one actually had two duplicates. This is an example of some minor changes that you often see. Grade 1, grade I, someone has obviously edited that at some point. So that is a duplicate, and that the second one of that pair can be deleted. And this is another one. This is an encoding issue. A copyright has been encoded in two different ways, but it's basically the same article. So that, again, is a duplicate, and so you can delete the second one. So no changes were made there. The system had guessed correctly. Once you've finished all the deduplication, you can return to the project and you can start reviewing. I will cover a collaborative project in a different guide. This is just a simple run through of one person doing a review. So you can see you've got 15 articles there. That's an easy job. The all articles set will be assigned to you automatically, so you don't really need to do that. So you can go straight into screening. Basically, it's including and excluding. Everything else is bells and whistles. So you can just start clicking include, exclude while you're reading the abstract and the titles. If you get tired of clicking the buttons, you can set up keyboard shortcuts. You can set these to whatever you want. So I'll just set include and exclude as 1 and 2 there, and comment C. So now we can carry on screening. You can come back to the project at any time, and you can hit the proceed to next button, and that will take you straight back to where you were. And now we can use the keyboard. And this is where you can get super quick reading and saying no, 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 no. You can leave comments on any articles. You can even exclude them and leave comments, and you can tick one of the reference or interest checkboxes. So that's like saying, I'm excluding it, but I'm still interested. It might be interesting for a different project. Once you've finished reviewing all of the articles, you get this summary page where you can see the articles that you've decided to include in your project. You can re-review them at any time. You can go backwards and forwards through the included or through the entire set. So you can re-review them in any order. Once you've done that, so at the end of the project, you would typically export the set that you had decided to include, and you can download that again as a RIS file to enable you to purchase the articles. This is just a standard RIS file. Once you've finished with the whole system, you can close the project, and you can even delete the project and remove all the data. If you don't want to use SYRAS at all anymore, you can even erase your user account. And then that's it, you're done. If you want to use it again, you would have to sign up again. That's the basics. I hope that was helpful.